Hey everyone, and welcome to my very first makeup tutorial! This was a lot of fun, a few of you requested it, and I decided why not give it a try. Let's see how it goes, and yeah, thank you for watching, thank you for being around, and let's just get going. First thing you'll want to do is grab a silver eyeshadow and pack that all over to the main part of your eyelid up into the crease, not too much further. And make sure it's as vibrant and saturated as possible. You can also use a white eyeliner underneath to kind of make it pop more. And once they're even on both sides, you want to take that right underneath. It'll help to kind of blend those colors together, and it'll also help for all of our blending colors later. Next, you want to take a kind of shimmery purple color, a little light color, and you kind of want to start making a triangle shape on the outer part of your eye. Follow the lower lash line up, kind of use it as a guide, and then you don't want to go any further than where your crease is, just above. Then take a darker color and kind of outline just over that. Like, you want to darken it as you go, so that way it's easier to fix any mistakes. And you'll see here what I mean by you want to kind of keep it even with your crease and your natural eye shape. And for any mistakes, just take your trusty Q-tip, clean up some of the edges, make them nice and even, and once you find a shape that you're happy with, you want to take a lighter blue color similar to the purple before and start outlining just outside of the purple. And then after that, grab another more saturated blue and line just over that to keep it a bit more vibrant. Then go back and forth with your blue and purple to resaturate the colors that may have gotten lost to make sure they're nicely blended out, even out into the outer crease and the inner corners. We want to keep it as soft as possible for the inner corners because we'll be lightening it up there later. And once you're happy with that, make some silly faces. You want to bring that blue just down to the lower lash line, about halfway across the lash line. Not too much closer to the inner corner though. Keep that nice and clean. Take a white eyeliner pencil, and you want to underline that blue that we made earlier and start fading it out just near the end. This will make a nice contrast between the blues and the wings that we're going to create later. Once you're happy with where the white is placed, take a white shimmering eyeshadow and place it just over that white eyeliner. It'll help to set the eyeliner as well as make it stand out between the blues that we're going to have down later. Coffee break! Or in my case, literally just finishing the rest of it. Now taking that same blue shadow as before, you want to line underneath that white liner that we just placed and marry it to the blue that we placed on the lower lash line previously. And when you're done that, take the same white eyeliner as before, and you want to line your inner lower lash line as well as up into the crease to give it a nice, vibrant, bold pop. And it kind of helps create a cut crease sort of shape. And then what I like to do is just take my pinky finger and kind of blend them out. Once that's blended and you're happy with it, you want to take that same eyeliner and place it just on the brow bone. That way we have a nice, even, symmetrical pop of vibrancy. Whew, the hills and valleys on my damn forehead, my goodness. Then take the same white eyeshadow as before and place it over that white liner you placed all on the inner corners and your brow bone. And you can blend it underneath of that blue as well. It helps blend everything out as well as keep it very vibrant and bright. It gives it that extra highlight. You also want to take some of the darker blue and place it on that lower lash line to really make a difference in where those blues are. It also helps give contrast to the rest of the eyeshadows. And then with a very fluffy brush, take that same white and blend all around the outsides. You want to go back in, maybe touch up some of the silver, fix them brows need be. Go in, maybe fix it up and sharpen it with a Q-tip. I also like to take some of the purple or the blue eyeshadows, mix them together, and put it in the very beginning of my eyebrows. I tend to do that with most of my looks. I take a part of the color that I'm using and blend it in. Once you're happy with the shape and evenness of the eyeshadows, you'll want to move on to your liquid eyeliner. Go with your natural eye shape. What you'll want to do is kind of see where the iris is, connect from there, and take it straight out. And then very, very lightly line your entire lash line. And then start creating a triangle from there. And from there you can kind of go with the thickness that you desire. I kind of like using thick liner for the most part. And then what I'll do is create that tiny little wing on the bottom that just follows up from your lower lash line naturally. That way all the shapes kind of blend together evenly. Then darken your waterline with a black eyeliner. Go in with your favorite highlighter, bronzer, and blush to top off your face makeup. And then I like to save mascara for last so that way any powder doesn't kind of get into my lashes and cake them up anymore. I also like to do maybe 2 coats on both sides of my lashes, upper and lower, just to keep everything nice and even. This is something, just take your time, you don't want to smudge anything. And once you're done with lashes, you are all done with the eyes. If you want to kick it up a notch a little bit further, you can also add a nice bold lip to it as well. I like to use a clear lip liner all over my lips just to make the colors last a little bit longer. And you'll want to start with a matte gray lipstick and line your entire lips, fill your lips, gray them out. This is a part of the video where we make goofy faces because lipstick. And taking the same purple and blues from before, you want to add that to the very center of your lip and blend them together and blend them out, but you want to keep that gray matte lipstick from before showing just in your inner corners. It's something where that's where you want it to pop. That's the focal point. And here is our completed look. It's a look that's a bit more on the dramatic side, but really you can wear it anywhere. Makeup's for anywhere, anytime. Just have fun with it. You can wear your hair up with it, you can style it. It's really kind of up to you. It's all dependent on what you want to wear it for. Makeup is just one's way to be expressive or one way to build confidence. So do you and have fun with it. I hope you guys have an incredibly stellar day, and I will see you around for the next video. Bye!
Thank you for watching my very first makeup tutorial. I saw a lot of you guys were asking for it over on TikTok, and a few folks were asking for it on Instagram. And this is it. It's kind of tweaked a little bit from the last time, but it's pretty much about the same. You can kind of adjust it however you like, and this time I added some dramatic lips, because why not? Oh, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here, for being around. I appreciate it. You have no idea. Thank you so much, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give it a like if you enjoyed it. If you wanted to see me do other looks, absolutely. I actually had a lot of fun with this, so I'd really love to do more. Remember to be you, be weird, and just have a good fucking day. Bye!